Ladies and gentlemen, we have quite some students who have come from outside Bombay. We request them to, they have come particularly from Sakarwadi, all students of Sumaya, Sakarwadi, Lakshmiwadi, Samirwadi, Nareshwadi and Sharda English School. They have performed outstandingly in their studies. We request them all to stand up wherever they are. 8 minutes, jara khada ho jao. Students from these schools, and give them a loud applause. Ladies and gentlemen, in the argument analysis of this morning's grand function, brief but grand, momentous no doubt, there is one thing that emerges, and that is what Cardinal Newman pointed out, that the aim of education is not merely to produce a better workman, but to produce a better man. That, I think, was the gist of the address given by both Justice Bhagavati and Justice Sri Krishna. Before I call upon Samir Sumaya to propose the word of thanks, may I end my comparing, which has been a privilege and which has been for me personally tinged with a lot of emotional, nostalgic memories of my long association with Sumaya Vidya Vihar, end with a quotation from Lord Tennyson, the poet of the 19th century. I quote, "At all experience is an arc whereto gleams that untraveled world whose margin fades forever and forever when I move," unquote. I now request Samir Sumaya to propose the vote of thanks.
Speaking for more than half of the audience, we were not born when this college was dreamt. We cannot imagine the challenges of converting what you say was a marshy land, because I don't think any of the students sitting here, and neither can us, even imagine that this area here was a marshy land full of snakes and other biological specimens. And likewise, I think 50 years from today, when I think but for the students in the audience, none of us may be alive. The students of Kota, the students of Delhi, the students of Kutch probably will never imagine what challenges we will have to face to have created the Vidya Vihar of tomorrow in those places. 50 years is a long time. It is a time for us to reflect on what we have achieved from what we set out to achieve, where we have succeeded, where we have surpassed, and where we have failed. And I think to learn from our successes and from our failures, to continue to reinvent ourselves and to rebuild a Vidya Vihar of the today, the past, and the future. I thank you, Justice Sri Krishna ji, for coming and gracing this occasion. I thank you for speaking to us. And again, I'm speaking on behalf of the students here. The students on this campus commit to you that if they earn knowledge, they will earn knowledge with character. If they earn wealth, it will be through work, hard work, and good work. If they become scientists, they will have humanity. If they are businessmen, it will be through morality. And we certainly need students to join politics, which today is not happening. There will be politics grounded on principle. I'd like to thank our own President, Shri Bhagwati ji, for coming here and providing us continuous encouragement to convert Sumaya Vidya Vihar into a deemed university. We commit to you that we will build a deemed university one that will be founded on the grounds of our ancient knowledge and also in the skies, as my father says, grounded in the Vedas, the skies of modern science. We will bridge that gap and we will create a great Somaiya University, one that will stand on its own with the best in the world. I thank you all for coming today. It has been a pleasure to have you here, and we do hope that 50 years from now we will have another grander function. Thank you very much.
Before we disperse, a small announcement. We have the national anthem now. I request all of you to stand, and following which we will have refreshments at the engineering canteen right by the steps into the auditorium. You are all invited to join us for a
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे।